Want to change the WhatsApp profile picture on your iPhone but don't know how? Well, this will be a very simple task for you. You need to just follow the process because in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to change your WhatsApp profile picture. So let's get started. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on the settings from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on your name. Now, tap Edit under your current profile picture. Then decide what you want to add. You can use avatar or you can choose photo from your phone's gallery. Like I'm going to choose my own picture. Tap Choose Photo. Now choose a photo from your gallery. Next, tap Choose from the bottom right. And that's it. That is how you can change your WhatsApp profile picture on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then write them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned.